Hi, I'm Brian Scott. I had depression well, pretty much all my life since childhood. Nothing seems to have helped much. I've been on several medications, therapies, hospitalizations a few times, and maybe I can back up and let you know a little bit about my own biographical. I'm an educator, retired, PhD, and while I was working it seemed like I was better able to deal with all of this, but now that retirement is here and depression is kind of revisited, and I came in, I was referred to Dr. Demajian, and I came in and saw in one of his side offices a dentist-looking chair, and was just wondering what that was all about, if he was going to open up a dentist office. But he explained it to me and suggested, well, this might be an option that you might want to consider for depression, which I was seeing him for and getting medication from. And I thought about it, and I thought, well, you know, this is a good deal. After I had read the literature and all the studies, and seemed to be the newest technology out there to help people, you know, cope with daily stress and major depression episodes in their life. So I started the treatments, and Heather was very, I mean, she was a therapist in herself, so it was good. I mean, it was not an intimidating experience. It was a pleasant experience, and I really did not have any side effects. In the literature, you know, it lists the side effects that may be possible, but I didn't have any headaches, watched movies, had pleasant chats with Heather and Dr. Demajian. And then when I left the office, I felt kind of rejuvenated. The first few weeks, I felt rejuvenated and kind of very relaxed. And then that kind of dissipated after about 2 or 3 weeks. But then about, I guess it was around the middle of the third week, I don't know if it was a pleasant feeling, but it was just a more confident feeling on how I could deal with daily stressful situations. And then eventually that progressed on to dealing with what would generally in my life would be like depression episodes. But that didn't happen. So I considered that was quite a success. After the 30 treatments, I felt like this is a good deal. Gee, it's been about a year.
About a year.
About a year. And I haven't had I really haven't had a major stressful event. I've had stress. Stress is part of daily life. But I'm much more confident